I'm not gonna say what I was about to say in my head, that the box is loose. What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel, man. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And matter of fact, cut that notification bell on, man, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're in the right place. Let's go. So I'm back with another video today, man, and it's been a minute. You know, I've been trying to really track my progress on this YouTube thing in 24, and shout out to E.T. the Hip Hop Preacher on the More in 24 motto, man. That's what I'm on right now. So it's been about 4 days since I dropped a video, man, but I got literally a stack of packages here. So we recording, we editing, and we getting these things out. So today I'm bringing you a sneaker review, man. I got the box right here, and man, Nike continues to give me beat up boxes, man. It's like you can hear it, bro. It's loose. Look at it. I'm not gonna say what I was about to say in my head, that the box is loose. I just said, anyway, let's open this box and see what we got inside. All right, so we got the pull tab on the box, man. We're gonna go ahead and open this joint up real quick. And of course, man, you know, the usual, and bruh, the struggles. I thought I left this in 2023. You know what I'm saying? Like, bruh, I already pulled the little piece off. Bruh, nah, the pull tab is the most janky. Bruh, I'm not doing this. Not doing it at all, bruh. You know what? Just gonna. All right, bet. Whatever. All right, man, so we finally got this joke out the box, man. And as you can see here, for some of y'all that know, y'all see this box, y'all might know what type of sneaker is in this box. You may not know. Pretty colorful box. I think it's pretty cool. This is not the first one we brought to this channel, but let's go ahead and read what's inside of the box. You got the Nike Attack FB, and the colors are white, game royal, and pure platinum. This is a men's size 12 and a half, women's 14. Smelling real brand new right there, man. All right, so let's get the top off of this joint. Shoot, hold on, why am I struggling to get the top off the box? Yeah, pretty decent box, nothing too crazy. Standard paper, nothing too crazy. And we got this right here. We got the Nike Attack in the Game Royal and Platinum colorway. Man, how y'all feeling this, man? I'm looking at this shoe straight out the box, and I'm like, got that new shoe smell. Ain't nothing like it, man. If you know, you know, man. If you don't smell your shoes out the box, then, I mean, maybe I'm just weird like that. But you know, yeah, man, brand new, man. Brand new. All right, man, so listen, the Nike Attack is a shoe that I felt like gained a lot of popularity last year. It had a huge wave. Some of the collabs, you know, the social status collabs and things of that nature. I was able to bring, I think, 1 or 2 pairs to the channel last year. I was a bit reluctant because I wasn't a fan of the shoe at first, but the more I looked at it, the more I saw it being styled, I was like, you know what? This shoe ain't half bad. This shoe ain't half bad. So they recently released the Game Royal and Platinum colorway, and I saw it and I was like, man, I gotta grab it. The leather quality is phenomenal. The one knock on this shoe I would say is that it has a pretty slim look to it. Kind of like the New Balance 550s. I think a lot of people talk about how they're really skinny looking, you know what I'm saying? I'm a skinny guy, I ain't got nothing against it, but sometimes a skinny looking shoe can give off weird vibes to some people. That's the one downside I would say about this shoe, but as far as the overall aesthetic, it is very clean, it's very classic. You can style this shoe a ton of different ways, and it's not a bunch of different materials on here, but the materials on here are pretty high quality. This leather is great. You got some mesh material right here, and I believe that the platinum color is coming from this right here underneath this Nike sign. Oh yeah, it's my wife. Appreciate you, babe. Handed me the alternate laces. You got some royal alternate laces. Tell me what y'all think. Would you rather go with the white? What would you do? The blue? I personally think because it's about to start getting warm soon in the next maybe 2 months. Well, you never know in North Carolina. It might be warm tomorrow. Like, who knows? It might snow tomorrow. But anyway, man, wherever you at, it might be getting warm. So it's a good pair of kicks to throw on with some shorts, you know, some joggers, and just really chill out. It's a casual shoe in my opinion. But I think the blue looks really good to me. I like the blue. So as always, we're gonna grab the second shoe and we're gonna check for any quality control issues. Last time I had a pair of these Mac Attacks on here, or the Nike Attack, whatever you wanna call them. I didn't have any issues. I didn't have any issues with this shoe. The reason I grabbed the 12.5 is because last time I grabbed the 12, and when I tried it on, because the way it's really tight around the toe area, that I feel like I needed to go a size up in these. Tell me what you guys think. Based on my experience, I would recommend that you go a size up, or at least a half a size, I went a half a size this time. We're gonna see how it goes. And I'm just kind of looking at these, looking at the leather, looking at the size here. I don't see any glue stains. I do see a little bit right here, but nothing major, because it's a lot of white on this shoe, a ton of white. Overall, man, they look pretty good. Ain't too much going on. At all. Very clean shoe, very clean shoe. So for a retail price point of $130, you can own you a pair of these Mac Attacks if you want to play retail. And as I'm looking at that, dang, we just did the freaking side by side, and I missed that, man. I actually missed that. Look at that. It's like a crayon mark or something on the side of that. I don't know if the camera can catch that or you guys see that, but with it being all white, it's not hard to notice. Dang, man. Anyway, man, for a retail price of $130, you can own you a pair of these Nike Attacks or Mac Attacks, whatever you want to call it. But I noticed on the secondary market, they're as low as $97. So that's the cool thing about shoes nowadays, man. With the economy being in the state that it's in, and people not really spending money like they used to on sneakers, or people really buying designer or whatever they deciding to do, which leads me to a very interesting thought that I had, that I noticed that kids much rather wear fake designer than buy Jordans or dope shoes. And I've heard a lot of kids admit that, and it's a bit concerning. I told them, I told someone myself when I heard them say it, I was like, listen, man, I'm gonna tell you like my grandma told me. If you gotta buy the fake version, then you don't need it. You know what I'm saying? My grandma said that about gold a long time ago when I was a kid. She said, I never buy fake gold, because if I gotta buy the fake version, then I don't really need it at all. So I'm just gonna go without. Guys, go without, man. Stop wearing the fake stuff, man. All right, so I gotta give you my rating on this shoe. So we're gonna go with a, this is gonna be real quick, straight to the point. We ain't playing around, man. Because this is so close to Duke Blue, I love the fact that it's so clean and classic though. I'm loving the quality of it. God, tell me this is Kentucky Blue, not Duke Blue. I'm gonna tell myself it's Kentucky Blue. All right, because it's Kentucky Blue and it's not Duke Blue, because I am a Carolina fan, just to add some context, I'm gonna go with a 6 out of 10 for the Nike Attack Game Royal. It's a lot of white on this shoe, so I feel like if this was a summer release, it probably would have fit a lot better. This isn't a shoe that I probably would wear right now, though I could, because we got the most bipolar weather here in North Carolina. It could be 18 degrees, and then the next week it's gonna be 70 degrees. So this is a shoe that I could very well wear right now in the wintertime, but we're gonna go 6 out of 10 for the Nike Attack Game Royal. And you know the saying before we get out of here, man. Love is free, hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy, Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.